Hey guys, super excited. Good afternoon. How are you doing? If you can hear me, good afternoon. Tell me where you're joining from. Tell me where you're joining from. Good afternoon, good morning. Good afternoon, good morning. So glad to be back today. Yesterday, had a very busy day, and I had a training session. One of my mentors told me to attend. And you guys know I'm somebody that I'm big in knowledge. I'm very big at learning. I don't joke with it. I don't joke with learning. So yesterday I couldn't make it usual. Usual meeting, you know, but it's great. Amazing. I'm great. Thank you so much. Type in where you're joining from, guys. Where are you joining from today? Good to have you on. Good afternoon, good morning. As something to know, good to have you. I'm great. Thank you so much. I'm doing well. Okay. Thank you so much for checking. How is market treating you? I treat share button. Let's help to have access to this. Great. Let's help other people have access to this. Great. So today we're going to be combining both the Forex and the cryptocurrency market together today. Yesterday I wasn't available to come online and help you guys with my analysis. But as usual, I'm sure you'll be able to gain some stuffs today. Okay, to gain some stuffs today. So let's get to work. See, let's get to work. Hey, good afternoon, bro. Good to have you on. Great. So tell me, guys, how is it going? As our people keep joining, we'll take it up from there. Okay. So yesterday we have FOMC report. We had FOMC report, and like I do tell you guys, FOMC is a major announcement that happens at least once in a month. Okay, uh, yesterday details was great. There was spike immediately. The news was released, and USD gained more momentum yesterday. And you guys need to understand how this tell in the market. It tells so much in the market, and especially for those who are intraday trader. For those who are uh, intraday trader need to be very, very careful when they are trading, especially because of such news that has to do with interest rates. You need to be very, very careful. So yesterday, the rates spiked up more by 4%, and USD gained more momentum. So you see EU sell, AU sell, GU sell, all of them kept selling yesterday. And I'm sure a lot of you must have been looking at a buy opportunity, but that did not work out yesterday. So you need to be very careful when you're trading, especially if you're an intraday trader. I'm a swing trader. A lot of time I don't check. 90% of the time I don't even check news at all. But I check news because of the intraday strategy that we have, so that people can be, but as for my own personal account, I don't even check news at all. Okay. Oh, we have Kelly Akubore. Hey, I celebrate you, Mr. Mayowa. First time joining your class. Hey, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Great. So you're welcome. Every Wednesdays we talk about Forex. Every Thursday we talk about cryptocurrency, and we are launching the stocks shortly. Okay. I think that should be in the month of December. Once my team are ready, we're going to be launching where a day where we talk about the stocks market, and we're good to go. Okay, so that's it for you, Mr. Kelly. Okay, so Alsong says 4% spike rate. Yes, I saw that coming. Olagunju, good afternoon, boss. Good afternoon. So it really pushed the USD pair more up, but like I do tell you guys, um, it's bound to happen because the the market has been buying. Okay, if you go and check DXY, which is the if you go and check DSY, which is the full market report of USD, have told us that we're looking at the mark USD to come to 116. I've been telling you guys this for almost a month or 2 month plus. Where you guys had a question that is this a reversal? And I said no. So the market retraced at this rally-based rally, which is also a demand zone, and the sell kept on. So if you come here to daily, you still see that there's a lot of room for sell. But if you come to monthly, the pin bar is forming, and we need to see if the market will hold at this spot or not. If the market breaks this 121 zone, that means there's going to be a challenge. That means that USD will come to 150. US index will come to 150. And that is dangerous for a lot of communities. Okay? It is dangerous for a lot of communities. So let me explain what happened. Okay? Let me explain what happened. In 2001, the market picked up a retracement. Okay? And it dropped to 2008, where there was a market crash. And the market crash was the one that happened for about 2 years. And from the 2 years, the market picked up. And around that time, the market picked up to the peak. So the crash that happened in 2001 in the US market is going to be repeating itself here. So if that happens, what that does is that it's going to be it's going to be happening. It's going to take close to about 6 years before USD. Let me see how many. It's going to take like 3 years before we can talk about. Um, okay, so don't let me scare you guys today. Let me just focus on technical analysis. But sincerely, the recession that is coming is going to be really deep. Okay, it's going to really deep. So we need to get ready for it. We need to get ready for it. So apparently, we still need to push up more. So if DXY is still pushing up more, if you come to Euro USD, we have to keep selling. So we have to keep selling. And that selling will take us to 0.900. 0.900. I think 0.900, that will be where we're going to be buying from. And that is the same place where Euro USD will be selling from. So around 0.900, let me see. Okay, so anywhere from 0.95, that's where we're going to be looking for a buy on Euro USD. And this buy, poof, will be on for another 2 years, 2 to 3 years. Another 2 to 3 years. That's where we're going to be looking at for. You can see up, down, up, down, up, down. Then it will take us back to this top. Okay. Then there will be a retracement back here. So from 95, which we are very close to in the month between now and the next 2 months, we should hit this zone. So we're going to be looking for a buy from that place. Okay, for a lot of you that are in the community, you know that this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this is wave 3. Okay, and after wave 3, there will be a potential reversal. Okay, so if you don't know that one, join the Forex community. You will have it. Okay, with $350, you have access to more detail. If you're already good, please manifest, enjoy. So I think that Euro USD will sell more into this 0.9500 downwards. So if there's anything you want to do, is to keep. So I was actually looking for a sell here. So I spoke about this sell in our community, but we had an issue. And the issue was that there was no retracement. So what I was expecting was to come and sell from here, but there was no retracement. Okay? There was no retracement, and I don't like it. Whenever there is no retracement, it's not a good one. So, because I always trade retracement, we missed out on that. But I'm still expecting some retracement back to the top, where we're going to be looking for sell. This candle is closing bullish, bearish. So I think there's still more bearish movement to go. So we still have close to 300 to 400 pips. Okay. So let's stay tuned and see what we can get. Let's stay tuned and see what we can get. My bias for EU. Okay. My bias for EU is to keep selling, okay? Keep selling. Keep selling. Where are you? Keep selling. So we look for sell opportunities. Um, so let's see if we can get a lower rally based drop. there. So let's see if we can get a retracement here between now and tomorrow for a sell. Okay. So if we can get a retracement, something like this, I think that will be fine for Euro USD. Okay, you can't buy now because USD is weak. Okay, you can't buy. You have to be very careful with buying. So anything around this huge zone, we'll be looking for a sell down. Okay, we're looking for a sell down. Great. So what's your bias? What's your take? Mark says, I attended one of your seminar in Abuja, and I really want to know how to invest in cryptocurrency. Mark Agwan. Okay, so Mark Agwan, chat up with this line. You'll be able to book a private session with me. You let me know your plan, then I would advise. Okay. If I'm not available, my other wealth consultants will attend to you, but I should be available. So once you chat up, just tell the person you want to book a section with me. Okay, Mr. Mark. Cryptocurrency is something, there's something I know. I don't know how to put it public, but the best I can tell you is that the cryptocurrency is loading up the cloud for everybody to be a blessing, to bless everybody. So get ready. So that's what I have for Euro USD and USD index. What analysis do you guys want me to take next? Tell me. What analysis you guys want me to take next? Hey, Marco Susan Gordon, how are you, my sister? And how's your trade going? How's your trading going? Okay, so I was looking at Ethereum for incoming bullish sign, but with the coming of the rate spike yesterday, the USD gained pressure and I'm confused. Whenever the USD gain pressure, don't sell. Don't buy, sorry. So don't be confused. It's just the reality. The bullish move is not ready yet. No, there could be short bullish move, but the main move that can break all-time high is not ready yet. The main move that can break all-time high is not ready yet. So let me check. Let me see if I can analyze Ethereum for you. Let me see if I can analyze Ethereum for you. Okay, like I do tell you, it's only my bias. Okay, always know what you're doing. So if you check this chart, this guy is on a rally based drop, which is a supply zone. He's on a rally based drop. He's on a supply zone. I can't buy here, guy. Hmm? To be too dangerous to buy. I know some of you know this place as support and resistance. You know, some of you are, but I would rather come and buy. I'd rather come and buy around 300. I'd rather come and buy at 300. Anything below 400, I'll start buying Ethereum for long term. Anything below 400, I'll start buying Ethereum for long term. Okay, so I strongly feel that at this rally based drop is a suspect. You don't want to be, you can see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a rally based drop. This is a monthly supply. So you take that to weekly, 4 hours, sorry. So the guy is really pushing for himself. I don't know how you want to get this out of the way, but I feel that sell pressure is there. I can be wrong, but this is my bias, okay? I can be wrong, but this is my bias. So that's my bias for Ethereum. Good afternoon, Matthew Subo. Good afternoon. Hey, good afternoon. Rich Anez. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, my brother. Candy Boy. Good afternoon, coach. Good afternoon, sir. Rich says, I've been analyzing gold, made some little profit, but it doesn't look like there will be a buy anytime soon. USD is USD is strong. Gold cannot buy. USD is very strong. Gold cannot buy. USD is very strong. Gold cannot buy. So we have to keep looking for sell. I've told you guys about gold sell since last month, 2 months. You see, a lot of time, you people used to forget my analysis. Just pick the analysis from my overview and be taking your own strategy, be trading it in that direction. Okay? Be trading it in that direction. Okay? Be trading it in that direction. Just pick my monthly review or weekly review, trade in that direction, and we're good to go. So what's your take on 1 minute entry? It's not bad. 1 minute entry is not bad, but you must know, you must have practiced the entry. So if you identify, is this Mr. Andrew? Is this Mr. Andrew? Candy boy, are you Andrew? What's your name? Because Candy boy is broad. There is a candy person I know that his name is Andrew. I want to be sure. So if you're going to be using any 1 minute entry, you must be careful. You must have mastered it. Either you are using W, okay. Candy boy, no, this is Sani Bako, okay. So, okay, I don't use 1 minute, I use 5 minutes, okay, because on 1 minute chart there could be fake out, okay. So I use 5 minutes, I don't use 1 minute. And before I would take 5 minutes, it is a monthly zone or weekly zone that I enter with 5 minutes, okay. So it's a real one. It's a real one. It's a real one. So you have to have mastered it well, okay, to be using 1 minute. You have to have mastered it very well to use 1 minute chart. To use 1 minute chart. You have to have mastered it very well. Okay, guys, any other question? Guys, Binance has the capacity to go $10,000 in the next bull run. Don't miss out on Binance. Binance has the capacity to go as far as any other question, guys? Any other chart? Let's do one more chart if there is. If there is, let's do. And if there is none, we call it a day. Hey, Mr. Chooks, how are you? How are you? Good, 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 good. Great. So, um, that'll be all for tonight, for today. Make sure you are intentional about your trade. Make sure you trade your strategy. Don't go after money, go after profit. Don't go after money, go after profit. USD is still very strong right now, so don't trade against it. And I'll see you in the next training. Saturday, I might not be on. I'm going to be speaking at Global Wealth Festival. I'm going to be speaking at Global Wealth Festival uh, with the likes of Dr. Stephen Akintayo, the CEO of Coscaris. So, yeah, so yes, I'll be at this event on Saturday. So I won't be, okay, I won't be in. It's going to be an all-day event. Okay, so if you are in Lagos, you can join when it is time for my stream. I'll take a live. I will confirm if they are going to be streaming my part live. If my media team will be allowed to stream my interview live, but if not, I'm not sure I'll be available for the Saturday event. So Robert Kiyosaki will be there. Will be speaking there. Brent Tracy will be speaking there. Chief Dele Momodu. Okay. Um, uh, Cosmos Maduka will be speaking there. The CEO of Yale, Sonny Smart, will be speaking there. Bisi Akintayo Ajibewa Timi will be speaking there. Quite some amazing guys, people will be speaking there. So it's going to be a great time this Saturday. Our song says, thank you so much, sir, for your time and sacrifice you go through to help us, even with your tight schedule, giving us free content. Hey, thank you. Namaste, namaste, namaste. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. So, guys, I look forward to your success. Please take your time. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go follow me on Instagram. I am just building it again. My previous account was blocked for some reasons they could not answer. Okay. So I'm going to be doing some activities on my Instagram. Okay. We'll be doing some activities on my Instagram, and you want to really get ready for it. Okay. Thank you so much for jumping in. I'll see you guys again next week, or precisely maybe this Saturday. Make sure you trade your plan and plan your trade. Have a pleasant day. Peace out, guys. God bless you all.